Hello inventors, we have new update on CloudDB. So we all have used the CloudDB to store our data. So in the CloudDB, we use some method to store our data like store value, or if we want to fetch our data, we need to call this method and then we need to call our data in the list or in label to display it. We can't see the CloudDB data directly from here. But in the new version, in the upcoming version, here we have the test version. Whenever you use the CloudDB, you will get one option called View Data. Click on this. So once you go there, you can add the data here. Like you can add here the tag is like name. You can select here the type and then the value is like Saurav. And then simply click on add. Now like this, you can add here the data. Name Saurav. So with this method, you can see all of your CloudDB data here. You can modify it and you can use it. So this is a really good update on the CloudDB. This feature is now in the test version. They will release it very soon on our main App Inventor website. If you have new project ideas on MIT App Inventor, so just comment on the video. I'll create apps for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.